Welcome to our channel Solutions by Amol More. So today we are going to see the derivation of summation of NCR, where the value of R goes from 0 to n. Now for this we will be using a simple binomial theorem. Now the binomial theorem for 1 plus x the whole raised to n will be applied over here. What will it be? It will just be NC0 1 raised to n and x raised to 0 plus nc1 1 raised to n minus 1 x raised to 1 plus nc2 1 raised to n minus 2 and x raised to 2, and this stuff goes on till the very end where we have ncn 1 raised to 0 and x raised to n. Now all we have to do is get rid of this x on the right hand side. So we will put x equal to 1 on both sides. What will happen because of it? 1 plus 1 the whole raised to n on the LHS, and on the RHS 1 raised to n, 1 raised to n minus 1, 1 raised to n minus 2, and so on up to 1 raised to 0. Everything will be 1. So you don't have to worry about it. Also x raised to 0, x raised to 1, x raised to 2 up to x raised to n, everything will be 1 because we have put the value of x as 1. So what remains on the RHS is nc0 plus nc1 plus nc2, and this stuff goes on till the very end up to ncn. Now this can be expressed in the form of summation as what? Summation of NCR. Now you can see everywhere there is a plus sign, for which we have this summation sign, and n is constant everywhere, right? And after that the value of r changes from 0 up to n. See, the initial value of r is 0, then it is 1, then it is 2, and it goes up to n. So I can say the value of r goes from 0 to n, right? So this RHS got modified into a simple form, which is summation NCR. The value of r goes from 0 to n. Now 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2, and this will be 2 raised to n. Pretty simple, right? Now after this, let us see the application of this formula. How can we apply this? Now suppose if someone asks you the formula for 4c0, 4c1, 4c2, 4c3 and 4c4, you can simply see that this is nothing but summation NCR, right? Instead of n we have 4, summation of 4CR, and the value of r goes from 0, which is over here, up to 4, right? So the formula will be 2 raised to n, but instead of n we are having 4, so this will be 2 raised to 4, which is nothing but 16. Now you will say whether the answer is correct or not. We will actually calculate all these binomial coefficient. So 4c0 is nothing but 1, 4c1 is 4, 4c2 is 6, 4c3 is 4, 4c4 is 1. Now let us add all of these coefficients. This will be 4 plus 6 10 plus 4 14 plus 1 15 plus 1 16. Now this can be applied over and again for, let us see, 6c0, 6c1, 6c2 up to 6c6. So what will this be? It will simply be summation of NCR. The value of r goes from 0 to n. Now instead of n we are having 6, so value of r goes from 0 to 6, and the formula for this would be 2 raised to 6, which is nothing but 64. Now in the upcoming video we'll be seeing the formula for r equal to 0 up to n into r into NCR. The link for this particular video will be provided in the description box. Also I am going to do summation of r square NCR. The value of r will be 0 to n, and in the end the very well awaited formula summation of r cube NCR, r equal to 0 up to n. So keep watching the videos and keep learning. So this is your friend Amol More saying bye bye to you.